So you're saying that because you helped this or became brand ambassador for the Delhi government program, it's not like you are now aligned with the Aam Aadmi Party or Kejriwal. You're there to.
No, I'm not. Obviously
Right.
not. You know, I'm.
You will support
That was the first
any
statement that
state.
even,
Right.
Of course, you know, like I said, you know, it's you call me to any state tomorrow. Even after this interview, I get a call from any state, from Karnataka to Gujarat to any state. I'll be there for them next moment. I can delay my endorsement or my shoot, but if you call me to help a needy, I'll do that first bit. Try that, and you'll see the magic.
So, but then Sonu Sood, I know you say you don't want to get into then why these raids happen, but many people point to a very similar pattern, that anybody who is seen as either endorsing or supporting anyone who is a political opponent of the current ruling regime does have a high chance of getting targeted.
You know, but I feel that, you know, if you think like that, you can't move ahead in life. You have to keep on doing your work. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that, you know, maybe God or someone, a government, anyone has chosen you to do something right in life. And if your inner voice guides you that no, this is right and you have to do it, then you don't have to think about anything else.
Okay.
Otherwise you won't be able to move. If I would have thought that, you know, during the COVID time, if I'm going to go out, I'm going to get affected by the virus, okay, some governments are going to react that why this individual is coming out and helping people. So I wouldn't have been able to connect with thousands and millions the way I'm connected now. So I always listen to my inner voice, and I'll keep on doing till my last breath.
But can I just ask you, have you been approached by any of the BJP state governments or the party itself in any capacity?
No, not yet as of now that I remember. But you know, I've done work in all these states also, which are ruled by BJP or a Congress or you know, in any other state, you say in TMC, all Calcutta. So I've done work there. So I've never thought that which state is ruled by which party.
Okay.
But an Indian living in that state is my focus. So that's what I do. But like I said, you know, if they approach me, I leave everything and be there at the service.